let's talk about arranging sides given angles and vice versa. Right? So say for example, we have here a certain triangle and the triangle's name is triangle ABC. Let us write that down. So this triangle is named as triangle ABC. Alright? Okay, for us to be able to arrange the sides, also the angles, whenever needed, you need to understand how to name angles and sides too. Okay, so from this certain triangle, we have three sides. Okay, the sides name, alright, sides are side AB. Okay, we also have the side BC. Okay, and we have side AC. Okay, as you can see, these three sides, if put together, would create triangle ABC. Also, we need to identify our angles. Alright, so we have learned how to name angles, and angles can be named in 4 different ways. It could be named using 3 letters, and also you can reverse the other 2 letters except the vertex, or you can name it using the vertex or an angle or a number written inside. Alright, so let's just name these angles using the vertex, okay, because none of the angles share the same vertex. So here we have angle A. We also have angle B and angle C. Okay, so how do we arrange sides? This is the thing that you should always remember. The least angle, okay, the least angle, you would know what's the least side. It's actually opposite to each other. Alright, so the least angle opposite to that is our least side. So if this is 35 degrees, therefore the least side or the lowest measure side would be AC. Okay? So we're going to arrange, it says here, arrange the side from least to greatest. So opposite to, as you can see, the least angle is 35 degrees. Therefore, the least side would be side AC. Okay, you can put a short line on top. Okay. And then, the next measure of the angle, remember, angle B is actually 35 degrees. Okay, the measure of angle B is 35 degrees. And then, if you could check, okay, this is 90 degrees, therefore that's higher than the other value. This is 55 degrees. So the measure of your angle C is actually 55 degrees, and that's next to your 35 degrees. So we have here, opposite to that, what is the side opposite to that? That is side AB. Alright? And then the last one, of course, the highest value angle is our right angle, which is angle A. Okay? So measure of angle A is 90 degrees. So therefore, our longest side is side BC. Okay? Side BC is your longest side. So this is how we arrange the sides from least to greatest. Okay? So AC is the lowest value because it is opposite to our lowest value angle. AB is next to that, and then BC is our longest side. Not specifically asked to say like least to greatest. Sometimes they would ask you to arrange in ascending or descending order. Okay, ascending or descending order. What do these words mean? Right? When you say ascending, the value is starting from the lowest value, going to your greatest value. And then when we say descending, it comes from starting from your greatest, going to your least value. Right? So let's continue. So let's continue. What if we are given the angles and we need to arrange the sides? So this is the thing that we will do. Let's go and click on the next page. So we have here, we have the triangle TXY. So let's write the name first of our triangle. So we have here triangle TXY. Alright? So triangle TXY. And then you identify all the side first, and then you can write the measure of the sides. So side TX has the measure 11.7 meters. And then side XY has the measure 5.8 meters. While side TY, alright, has 13 meters as its measure. Okay, if you want to arrange the side right away, you would know. So you say sides arranged from least to greatest. Okay, so you know already that the lowest value side is XY. So you would write XY, and then next to XY, side XY would be, of course, it is side TX. Okay, because side XY is 5.8, side TX is 11.7. And then the next is side TY, which is the longest. Okay, it's easy to arrange the sides because they already have it. What if where you're being asked about the angles? Okay, so angles, you need to go back to the same concept we had earlier. Remember? Okay, so angles, we need to arrange it from least to greatest. Okay, least to greatest. So again, the lowest side, the lowest length side, opposite to that. Okay, so opposite to our XY is also the lowest angle, or the lowest value angle. Now, therefore, the first one that you need to write is angle T. Okay? Next, what is the opposite of side TX? So opposite of side TX. Right? So side TX opposite is this. Correct? It is angle Y. Alright? And then last one, what is the opposite of our side TY? So side TY opposite to that is our angle X. Okay? So this is just a matter of checking what's opposite to which. Right? Let's continue. In the triangle EFG, so the triangle is not drawn, what is the largest and the smallest angle? So we have the measures here. Actually, you can create the triangle first so that it won't be difficult to do. So we say we have a triangle, and it says here it's something like, so you can draw any type of triangle, and it's fine if the length or the figure won't justify the measure. Okay, because this is just an approximation at first, and you can adjust afterwards. So you have EFG. Okay, so let's say this is the triangle EFG. EFG. Okay, EFG. So triangle is not drawn on scale yet. Then we have FG. FG, side FG here. This is 10.9 inches. Alright, next, EG. Side EG is 17 inches. Oh, how did I make the triangle EFG? I just created it by my own. Just made EFG. Okay? Actually, in any order, you will still get the same answer. Always remember that you just have to attach the correct value. So FG is 10.9 here. And then EG is 17 inches. Okay? And then we have EF. EF is 10. As you can see, we have two equal triangles. So when two sides are equal, the name of this triangle, we call it isosceles. Right? Isosceles. Wait, isosceles. So we have here the triangle. It's an isosceles triangle. So when you're asked, what is the largest angle first? Okay, let's answer what is the largest angle. So the largest angle is the angle opposite to your longest side. So as you can see, your longest side is 17 inches. Therefore, that's side EG. What is opposite to our side EG? Alright, so that's angle F. Therefore, you would say, the largest angle is angle F. Okay, and then, as you can see, our smallest angle, we will actually have two answers to that because the other two angles are equal. Okay, so this side EF, opposite to that is G. Okay, so smallest angle, it's either our smallest angles are angle G and angle G, and so opposite to our 10.9 is angle E. So angle G and angle E. Okay, so those are the two smallest angles. Okay, so don't forget to like and subscribe if you liked the video.